Jeff from Sugarland has a question about sanitizing his air conditioning system.
Well, he's not sure if he got a tune-up or a shakedown. Is what it boils down to. Jeff writes, you're going to, well, let's see.
We'll find out.
There it is. All right. So Jeff writes, an AC company was about to do a tune-up on our 2 units, but the tech said dirt on top of our ducts meant there's mildew inside and that now it's showing on the outside. And before he do a tune-up, that's what I'm saying. Okay. I knew you'd love this one. Yes. And before a tune-up, he said we should do a duct cleaning and sanitizing at $750 per unit. Tom, Jeff wants to know, is this common? Is this legit?
No, but I'll do it for $500 each unit. No, it makes no sense at all. In fact, the person that got him to do that sales pitch really should find another line of work.
Oh,
if there's dirt on the outside, it's got mold on the inside.
I think that's it. It's an indicator. Isn't that made on the ducts? We could make a whole story about this.
Yeah, no, it's
a shakedown.
Find a new air conditioning contractor to deal with. Don't just say no in this case. Find somebody else who's legitimate.
Let's see. There could maybe be who comes to mind. Let's see. He's in Sugarland. Yeah. He's an AFC guy he can trust.
Absolute Comfort Air.
There it is. It means so much more when you say it than when I say it.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, me, I'm just pimping. You're recommending.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
So, but I will shamelessly pimp them and say that that's the guy to call because they're not going to pull that kind of crap on you. I mean, they're not going to try to sell you things you don't need and all that. So
no, they got enough business doing it right.
Right. And we do it right when you send us your questions. We answer them just like that. Straight shooting guys we are. Use the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. Fill it out, send it in. The answer will come out here live on tape.
Live on tape. Ding.